So today we will be making one story here, deep inside water, and the characters are shark, then starfish, and octopus. So it's a kind of a hide and seek game. So let's see how we can make the code, and we will be try to do the animation also, some animation and conversation. So let's start, and then we will go to sprite, and we will choose shark. So let's take this shark. Okay, then we will take one more sprite, and that is starfish. Let's take one more water animal, that is starfish. Okay, keep it here, and this one here. Okay, make this starfish a bit mm, make this starfish a bit smaller, 40. So this one is 100, this one is 100, this one make 40. So we will go here and make it 40. Okay, so now let's make it underwater. So it's underwater, everything is happening is inside the water, and like this one. Okay, so what next we will do, now let's start the conversation. So what we will do here, we will start with, like always, we will start with events when clicked. Okay, here also when clicked. So here starfish saying looks, shark is saying hey, shark here, shark here. Okay, then let's make it this one. Remove this one. So when click, say shark here for 2 seconds, then after 2 seconds, this one uh, starfish is saying uh, so what. Okay, so first we will make it control after 2 seconds. Okay, when shark will complete, then starfish will say. Okay, so what, then so what, so what. Okay, now wait for, now what we will do here, again we will make it control, through control we will again wait for 4 seconds. Okay, because whatever starfish is saying, we should, everyone should see what he is, I mean it should be visible. So after that what will happen, um, here wait for 4 seconds. Okay, so wait for 4 seconds, wait for 4 seconds, and then say I am coming. Then it will say I'm coming. Okay, so and then it will glide to, it should glide to here. Okay, so it will be, what we will do here, glide here, glide, it will glide to starface. Okay, so it will say I'm coming, and it will go to catch it. Okay, and what we will do then, we will here we will go again. So what we will do, wait for 4 seconds, and then we will make it to hide. So here we will go to looks, and then we will go to hide. Okay, so again again we will make it wait, because it should be keep hiding for some time, till the time shark find it okay, there is no point in staying here, I should go back. So let's and then again it will appear. Okay, so it will appear here, like looks sure. Okay, looks sure. So okay, and it should say you are a fool. You are a okay, and then what this one will tell, it will say glide 1 second to starfish, then wait for 2 seconds here also, wait for 2 seconds. Okay, then go to again, go to this position again. So go to go to this location, right, and then say looks, say it's cheating. What do you say? Okay, so let's start the conversation, and we will see what happens. Hey shark here, and it is saying so what, and I'm coming, then it disappeared, and again it went to here, and then you are a fool. Okay, so this is the conversation here. You can make the conversation again here. See again. Hey shark here, so what, I'm coming, it went here but it disappeared, it's a cheating area, so what do you say, you are a fool, it is saying you are a fool. So this type of conversation story we can make. Okay, so we can make some more improvement here. We can even add some characters like sprite here. We have added one octopus, and some changes like we can do here. You can see uh, shark is saying hey shark here, so starfish is saying so what, and it is laughing here, it is, and then it goes here and it disappears starfish, and then it's saying it's cheating, and from here it is coming out and saying hey shark, and it's a dancing. So we can see here in the in large image, we can see here uh, what is happening. Let's start, say hey shark here, and starfish saying so what, and it is saying it is laughing, and it is here, it is starfish vanish again, it is saying it is cheating, you are a fool shark. And so this way story we can make a very good story using the programming. Okay, so it's again we can see the code, we have small code, very small code for the all three characters. Okay, so accordingly we can make some very interesting story.